Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 61.62 cents here. Now, what are you guys grateful for? Comment down below. Name one thing, guys. I'm grateful for cryptocurrencies because without cryptos, where would we all be right now? Just think about it, right? This brand new asset class, which in turn is basically going to be a brand new financial system, right? Implemented into the current financial system. Now, one thing that I do wish for and I do hope for, guys, I dream of Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high by the halving 2024. I'm pretty sure that's in April as well, right? So can it not? I don't know. It is possible if, only if, Whale Alert tweets out $1 billion USDT minted at Tether Treasury. You don't say. Paolo comes out with his same old tweet, guys, under it, right? Pump my bags. There we go. So look at that, guys, right? If this keeps happening, this is how we know we are in a bull market. If this keeps happening, guys, right? So they could literally pump our bags. I'm ready for the parabolicness that could be on the horizon. Now, but on the other hand, we see from WhaleWire, Justin, Mad Money host Jim Cramer urges viewers to buy Bitcoin during latest CNBC lightning round, guys. That's not a good sign because he's a contraindicator, right? Cramer alerts, if you like Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. That has always been my view, and for a while I liked it, and I decided that money has been made or had been made. I acted premature, but money has been made, says Jim Cramer. Wow. So here's the game plan, guys. In the short term, yes, we could dump whatever, right? Because he's a contraindicator. But for me personally, I'm looking at the months ahead, guys, right? I don't care about the short term. If we do dump, I hope we keep pumping higher and higher and higher again, right? I don't know. I have this strange feeling something's going to happen, guys, right? Who knows? Let's see what occurs. But we're grateful just to be alive, to say the least. Now, guys, we're from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. Happy Thanksgiving. What do we see right here from Bragg House? This was from 2 years ago. Out with the old rails and in with the new. Wow, he even confirmed this, guys. You can't make this stuff up, right? The panel, well, this same statement could be referring to a new foundation, right? The panel has recommended from Economic Times that an alternative indigenous financial system be developed on the lines of similar systems elsewhere, such as Ripple, USA, etc. Whoa, interesting, guys. Very interesting, huh? Again, people keep saying nothing's happening, guys, but it seems as the rails need to be set in place first. Then the new financial system will be up and running like never before, right? But first things first, there needs to be a problem, though, and we're going to be talking about that problem, guys, here in today's video. Okay, then David Schwartz comes out with, there's a wild turkey on my roof 2 days ago, right? And then the turkey is now on the grill to get some color. This was from in the year 2020, guys. This perhaps supposedly connects to 2 years, 360 days between David's turkey posts, guys. Wow, 360 is what believe, right? Interesting. Or 360 is 5 times 8 times 9 is 360, guys. Wow, fascinating, huh? Believe. I guess it all depends on that certain word. This post has this distinct Thanksgiving vibes, but it's from July. Weird. Now, check this out, guys, from David Short serving, right? But this was on July 23rd, 2022. But wait a moment. Look at the timestamp, 11:23 today. Fascinating. Here's a few more connections and deltas for today's dates, guys. Even though it's just weird to me because why is November the month that seems significant, guys? As we can see for Mr. Poole, right? 11/23/2020. What does that look like to you? As well as this. On and off. And it's flipped on, right? Quote unquote flipping the switch. Flip the switch. Smiley face. Again, 11/11. Hopefully it comes into fruition. Today is 11/23. This was posted on in the year 2019. Same day as today, guys. It will all soon spill out in the open. It cannot be kept secret any longer. They did what they could. Plan A plus Plan B. Deeper meaning, right? And then this as well. Picture of Chinatown, DC lone man in snow. Again, guess what happened at that point, right? That event took place in the year 2020, and there seems to be another there seems to be another kind of, perhaps, or similar to that event here soon, guys. I don't know. I mean, the mainstream news is now talking about it. They came out with it today. We're probably going to talk about it tomorrow. But the journey to the where, guys? Right, 11/23. Now, here's another delta. November 23rd, as we see from Bearable Guy 123, right? When we talk about November, it ties into September 9/23. An overnight picture. Fascinating, isn't that? Now, Big Short comes out, guys. There has been a lot of stuff happening. We gotta talk about an issue that's occurring as we speak today, guys. So from Big Short, 5, okay, 11/18/5, 4. Amidst veils of uncertainty, the future scripts is silent tale. Will you still be here? 3. Divided, it loses its balance. 2. And then divided, it loses its balance. Okay, 2. So what does that connect to, though? He posted UBS towers today, guys, right? And then that would connect to UBS. But check this out. So Big Short tweeted this out first. Then came out, UBS CEO comes out stating, quote, Switzerland needs a public liquidity backstop, end quote. What? Whoa. Uh-oh. There seems to be some type of black swan, guys, right? Red alert. This isn't looking good at all. People keep saying things are too big to fail, right? And then they come out, UBS CEO, in the unlikely event of something going wrong at UBS, we have enough cushion before even speaking about a resolution of the bank. And it's very unlikely risk of a loss for the taxpayer. Then rest assured, it's the opposite, guys. That's exactly what the banks were saying in the 2007-2008 before they crashed and burned. There we go. This is the sign we have been looking for, guys. It's time. I couldn't believe it, right? Oh my. It's coming, guys. So this is UBS is about to implode, it seems as, and so it will begin in Europe. I've been told. Time will tell. National emergency level liquidity crisis in Europe. It's all about what? Liquidity, guys. Liquidity needs to be there. This is why Chris Larson stated, whichever has the most liquid or liquidity, whichever crypto asset, digital asset has the most liquidity wins in the long term, right? And this supposed bank, guys, is going to probably implode here soon, which ties in with that black swan event. Okay, insolvent banks everywhere, especially in Europe, guys. ODL is required now. I don't think they'll hold much longer. Whoa, wow. So only when the level liquidity crisis takes place, guys, Ripple payments goes live with the banks, huh? Or ODL, former name. Gold will fall, then rise high. The last manipulation of gold market will occur, guys. This is when I'm going to buy gold. Exactly when everything collapses, guys, or no, just right before it. If you could time it perfectly, then you're good to go. I think. Not financial advice. Time will tell. This is insanity, guys. I couldn't believe my face, right? So if we check this out, guys, okay, what's the game plan? Is UBS important, right? UBS is involved in virtually all major financial activities, including retail and commercial banking, investment management, and wealth management. UBS has a major presence around the globe and in the United States. There we go. Right. Is my money safe with UBS? Interesting, guys. Check this out. Deposits at UBS Bank USA are not protected, but are instead eligible for insurance by the FDIC up to $250K. This is where we gotta be careful, guys. Right. So, look at this, guys. Look what they say. Why is UBS a good bank? It is currently safe to have your assets at UBS. This article states right here. That's insane, right? Just them saying that, I don't know, guys. I'll be very cautious, to say the least. Now, supposedly this happened in the past as well, guys, because this was on March 15th, 2023. Credit Suisse to get liquidity backstop if needed, right? So there are warning signs, guys, of all these things supposedly occurring. Interesting. Again, remember what happened back in March? Banks failed, right? The smaller ones, and they got cannibalized by the bigger ones. Imagine if an actual huge one fails, guys. Shh, UBS countdown, right? Maybe this ties in with this, guys, right? UBS right here. Stock market collapse of 2 or 3 major banks and many more some, guys. Wow, so where do people even leave their money at then? I don't get it, right? Oh, we cracked the code, guys. Think. The current financial system implodes, goes down, right? Where does money flood into? There has to be one there has to be one asset class that it pours into, guys. Specifically, which asset class can that be? Maybe, I don't know, guys, but this is just a theory, right? Even Gregory Mannarino stated this, a 32nd degree Freemason. When money dies, or no, when the system collapses, money doesn't just die and go to money heaven. It travels through or to another asset class, which is, in my humble opinion, could be cryptocurrencies. Even that's from Gregory Mannarino, guys. He stated the same thing, right? So they're preparing something possibly, guys, right? In the event of, it's the craziest thing because it seems like they planned everything out from the beginning of time, right? Okay, check this out from Standard. Warning, UBS. In 2020, Mr. Poole posted this riddle right here. The answer was unknown until today. I am now confident I have the answer. It is all clear now. So let us read this thread. This is quite interesting, guys. By the way, if you guys like today's video, really appreciate it. Thank you. The SEC was due to submit a fail to deliver report on for October, but hadn't submitted it until yesterday evening. That was 1 month late. In this report, there are emergency alarms going off, which is likely why it was so late. FDT data is erased on October 9th, 2023. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but October 9th, 2023 is when the Israel-Space Hamas war broke out. They are hiding the shared failed to deliver for the state. Something broke at UBS. A UBS bond, which was due today to settle, was mysteriously deleted. They are shhHing the situation. Interesting. Whoa. What's going on here, guys, right? In 2020, Poole posted that riddle. The two towers is UBS. And his name is literally, what's, guys? Big Shorts. If that doesn't tell us, guys, that means the collapse is incoming. That's insane. And Mr. Poole confirmed this account because he follows it. I'm getting excited, guys, right? I don't know. It seems like 24-25 is literally the year. I can't believe my face. No one really knows because it has been hidden from the public until yesterday. No one really knew the answer to the cipher riddle, right? No one really knows. And the countdown, right? As we can see, they conceal the truth of what is happening. UBS headquarters divided, it loses its balance, guys, which means it falls, right? It collapses. It's that's what it is, guys. UBS is gone. Bye. Right, it has begun, as we see right here. UBS CEO, since Switzerland experienced 2 banking crises in the last 15 years, I fully understand why people ask what would happen if things were to go wrong again. Wow, game over. Right, UBS will fall. Seems like it's time, guys. Right, not right now. Perhaps they're going to delay it, maybe for next year, 2 years. I don't know. Maybe a black swan tomorrow. Nobody knows, right? So UBS is big trouble, right? Oh wow, is that a bird, guys, or an owl? Would connect to birds. Upon an island cloaked in Atlantic mists, an entire settlement vanished. Unsolved mystery. Whoa, the settlement vanishes. The UBS data and bond settlements, which got deleted instead of defaulting outright. Wow. Is that what it is, guys? That's insane, isn't it? UBS SIB and DBS completed world's first cross-border repo with a natively issued digital bond, fully executed and settled on a public blockchain November 15th. It's all heading towards this what? Blockchain type of technology, right? Era, so to speak. Debt to be wiped out. Being what? Deleted or vanished, guys. Weird, isn't that? Strange, guys. So, it seems like it is, guys. I'll have the link down. You're supposed to guys investigate further, but it seems very interesting to say the least. Not financial advice. Now, the silver space gates, guys. UBS, right? Do you guys see something very symbolic? November 22nd key. I think that came out yesterday as well, guys. Right? And these keys, which may connect to. Look at this, guys. Right? A lot of keys. Symbolism, right? Perhaps. I really did say this in August, guys. You have until 11/22/23. Wow. Right. So that's interesting, guys. Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Baba Cooks. I plan so ahead into the future that I constantly live in the future, guys. Right? Destiny awaits. Literally, it seems like with all the things that's happening as we speak and upcoming, guys, what's going to happen? Does destiny await us? Let us see. Not financial advice. But anyways, guys, hope you guys amazing this. See ya.